In this video, I will show you how to unhide apps on iPhone on iOS 18. So let's jump straight into it. So on iOS 18, as you may know, by pressing and holding down onto an app, you can actually select the option to require Face ID, and you can actually hide and require Face ID. So as you can see, we're going to do this for Duolingo and hide the app just like so. Now to find your hidden apps and actually unhide apps, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the right on your iPhone until you come into your app library. So just over here. Now in here, if you come to the bottom, there's going to be a hidden folder. To access the hidden folder, what you want to do is press onto the hidden folder, and it's going to scan your face and then reveal your hidden apps. To go ahead and unhide an app, all you need to do is press and hold onto the app that you want to unhide. Then all you need to do is simply press onto the option which says don't require Face ID. So what it's going to do is scan your face and then remove it from the hidden folder. Now it's not actually going to put it back onto your home screen. What you need to do is actually search for the app on your iPhone. And then what you can do is press and long hold onto the app and basically press onto add to home screen, and we can add this back onto our home screen just like so. So that is how to unhide apps on iPhone on iOS 18. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.